This quick honest review is of the AquaCare High Pressure Shower Head. Let me show you. If you need to replace the handheld shower head in your bathroom, really consider this one from AquaCare. I've been using this now for about 3-4 months and I'm very happy with it. Excuse it is a little bit wet and water stains and stuff on it. I've just taken it out of the bathroom. You've got a number of different settings here with how you want the spray to come out. The nozzles work really well. They don't clog. It also has this jet setting over here, which is if you need to high pressure, maybe the sort of like the tiles in the bath or nooks and crannies or something, mainly like for sort of cleaning. There's the setting here. Middle is just your regular, and then you've got your adjustment here for the different types of flows that you want out. But this is the adjustment here at the back for the high pressure cleaning module. This is the box it comes in. This was a replacement for me, so I didn't need to use the included some of the included stuff. So it has this has got a sticky back here with to hold the handheld nozzle up against the bathroom tile or wall. I already have a setup like that, so I didn't need to use it, but it's good to know that it's there. You also have the adjustment, this adjustment as well, depending on your setup at home. And you've got your hose. I believe it's a 6-foot hose. This is a great one to have as a spare, because invariably these things do break out. Price point on Amazon, these run at about $40 on Amazon. Look out for coupons. I know when I was doing it, there was a $10 off coupon, but not saying it's going to always be there, but take a look out for that. They come in different colors. This is the satin nickel. There's a matte black, bronze, chrome. So overall, very happy with this. Very reasonable price point. I found this to be far better than some of the more expensive, well-known brands from Home Depot, Lowe's, those big box home stores. So overall, highly recommend this handheld shower head. As I said, far better than much more expensive ones that I've had in the past. So giving this a big 2 thumbs up, and thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.